Yamaha Tenere 700 Best Beginner Dual Sport Bikes. If you're not entirely sure whether you'll be riding street or dirt, or, perhaps, a little bit of both, a dual sport bike is the best choice for you. Much like with street bikes, when you're asking for a first motorcycle recommendation, dual sport is going to come up a lot, and for good reason. Some of the best beginner dual sport motorcycles are amazingly easy to handle and build confidence quickly, they're well balanced, sturdy, and reliable, and their main attraction point is the versatility they offer. You can confidently take a dual sport bike to work, for a weekend trip, or off the road, and it will happily chug along whatever you throw at it. In addition, they're easy to modify. If you decide to stick to tarmac roads, you're good to go with a set of good street tires and a higher windshield. If, on the other hand, you'll discover you want to ride more dirt, simply get a better suspension and throw a pair of more aggressive tires on, and you're ready for backcountry discovery routes. If you're looking for a good beginner dual sport, test ride a Yamaha Tenere 700, a Kawasaki KLR 650, or a Suzuki V-Strom 650. All of these motorcycles have reliable, mid-sized engines, great ergonomics, and affordable price tags, and they will serve both as fantastic entry-level bikes and fun motorcycles to ride once you've gained more experience. Yamaha Tenere 700 Review. Feature benefits. Top features. Advanced twin-cylinder engine. The Tenere 700 features a fuel-injected, 689 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline twin-cylinder engine derived from Yamaha's award-winning MT-07. This compact powerplant features an ideal power delivery for adventure riding, for tractable and controllable power in every riding condition. Adventure-focused ergonomics. The Tenere 700 features a narrow body, slim fuel tank, and flat seat that allow maximum rider agility, enabling the rider to grip the tank whether sitting or standing, giving added confidence on dirt or asphalt. The protective fairing and handguards work with the tapered handlebar to ensure comfort on the longest rides. Not afraid to get dirty. Highly adjustable, long travel suspension is mated to dirt-ready spoke wheels mounting 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tires, ensuring that Tenere 700 doesn't shy away from aggressive riding when the pavement ends. The triple-disc brakes also feature selectable ABS, which can be disabled when desired for off-road riding. Refinement meets durability. Every aspect of the Tenere 700 is built to combine Yamaha's legendary reliability with impressive performance, from the compact LED headlights, to the strong and narrow steel frame, to the smooth counterbalanced motor, and crystal-clear LCD gauges. Engine. Compact, high-tech engine. Developed from the stellar MT-07 hyper-naked sport bike, the Tenere 700 engine combines exceptional reliability and exciting power delivery in a compact, fuel-efficient package. With an overall size similar to some single-cylinder motors, the 689 cubic centimeters fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, DOHC inline twin gives the Tenere 700 exceptional handling, while the counterbalanced two-cylinder design provides smooth, long-legged power ideal for long days in the saddle. Crossplane crankshaft concept. The two-cylinder engine features Yamaha's crossplane crankshaft concept 270-degree crank, which traces its lineage directly to the Dakar-dominating XTZ 750 race bikes to provide linear torque development in response to the rider's throttle input. The CP2 engine is also light, slim and compact, and offers an excellent level of rider/machine communication. Offset cylinder design. The CP2 engine fixed cylinder bores slightly forward, towards the exhaust side. This offset reduces piston to cylinder wall friction, for enhanced reliability, more power and improved fuel economy. Compact stacked transmission. The 6-speed transmission stacks the gearbox and the crankshaft in a triangular layout to keep the overall engine size shorter front to back, which optimizes engine placement in the frame for outstanding weight balance. The transmission ratios are designed to bring out the best of the low to mid-speed torque and excellent response characteristics, letting the rider focus on the road or trail ahead. Refined fuel injection. Electronic fuel injection settings have been calibrated to deliver a balance between rapid response, perfect for technical riding off-road, and smooth, linear delivery, ideally matched for flowing progress when back on pavement. Boasting excellent fuel economy, robust acceleration, and precise controllability on and off-road, the result is an extremely versatile power plant. Chassis/suspension. Lightweight double cradle frame design. A lightweight, high-strength tubular steel frame provides a tuned rigidity balance for nimble, responsive handling with the strength and durability needed to tackle the harshest terrain with confidence. The chassis utilizes a short 62.6-inch wheelbase for agility and boasts 9.5 inches of ground clearance to tackle whatever the trail throws at you. Balanced ergonomics. The ability to shift body weight forward and rearward to suit the terrain is crucial in off-road riding situations, so the Ténéré 700 features a flat seat and slim body that allows maximum rider agility. The narrow body and fuel tank also enable the rider to grip the tank whether sitting or standing, giving added confidence whether you're riding on dirt or asphalt. Adventure-ready suspension. Aggressive dirt riding requires capable suspension, so the Ténéré 700 utilizes a long travel 43mm inverted fork with 8.3 inches of travel. The beefy inverted layout is highly resistant to flex to maintain precise steering and suspension action, and the fork is fully adjustable to match changing road and trail conditions. The linkage-type rear shock is similarly outfitted for adventure, with 7.9 inches of travel and a remote preload adjuster to easily fine-tune for changing loads or riding conditions. Dirt-ready braking with switchable ABS. The Ténéré 700 features a pair of wave-style 282mm front discs, with rear braking handled by a 245mm wave-style rotor, for powerful deceleration that isn't afraid of dirt and dust. ABS comes standard to boost rider confidence and prevent wheel lockups in reduced traction conditions, but the Ténéré 700 gives riders the option of temporarily disabling the system for full manual control, ideal for the unique demands of challenging off-road conditions. Durable spoked wheels. Unlike many so-called adventure bikes which feature cast alloy wheels or road-biased tires, the Ténéré 700 flaunts its serious off-road intentions with tough spoked wheels mounting 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tires, ideal for both on- and off-road riding. Strong and lightweight, these wheels give riders a range of tire choices, from aggressive pure enduro tires to versatile dual sport options. Additional features. Rally-bred LED lighting. Echoing the focused, purposeful design of rally-built works racing machines, the Ténéré 700 utilizes a clear headlight nacelle with quad LED headlights. This vertically stacked 2+2 headlight design provides aggressive looks and excellent visibility, while the LEDs themselves are bright, long-lasting and resistant to shock and vibration. Protective, versatile cockpit. The rally-inspired upper fairing and standard handguards ensure wind and weather protection, ideal for long riding days. The tapered aluminum handlebar is positioned for a relaxed riding position when sitting or standing on the pegs. The cockpit is also designed to accommodate additional navigation devices, such as a GPS or rally roadbook. Rally-style instruments. The lightweight instrument panel displays a wide range of information that can be absorbed without having to take your eyes off the road or track. The multifunction LCD display features gear position, fuel level, 2 trip meters and estimated fuel range, as well as average and instant fuel consumption and more. Exceptional range. Thanks to the fuel-efficient engine and compact 4.2-gallon fuel tank, the Ténéré 700 is ready for the next horizon, with a fuel range extending over 215 miles per fill-up.